Well, Seth broke his trim trying to get it off. So I'm gonna see if I can get it off. And we're gonna go to Junkyard today and see if we can find one. We gotta find some other things too, so I thought I'd take this off and see how hard it'd be to replace it. All right. Not that one. That right there's got one. Looks real faded, but
that one's busted all up.
Which one is?
This one.
This one's got one the right color, but it's got a hole in it. Here we go. One right here. I broke the end off of it on that end down there. I need to get that off. I have to glue it. That's a lot better than breaking them other things though. No, don't fall. All we gotta do is glue that. All right, we got one piece down. I broke the little end piece off, but that is very easy to glue. I was proud we didn't break these other clip pieces because that's the hard ones to fix. Yeah, go ahead and get it. It needed a gas cap. Look at the seal, make sure it's good. Yeah, that's perfect. It'd be nice if we could find a black filler panel, wouldn't it? Because we're gonna go black with the truck.
For that panel.
Yeah, you may have to order one online. I might can 3D print a piece for that piece that's broke on yours.
Yeah.
There is a good looking filler panel. That's gold. I would really like to find one that's black. or white. Even white would be good right now because your truck's already white. That's a GMC one. That's white. Well guys, we're back from the junkyard and we have put this filter panel in here off of a 95 model truck, and to my surprise it was not a bolt-in replacement. It wouldn't fit in at all actually, and I had to trim the plastic filter to make it fit, and anyway got it fitting the way it's supposed to fit. Had to do quite a lot of modifications on it, but I'm used to doing that just from when I worked in the body shop and working on cars all the time. But if you have a 91 model truck and you're wanting to upgrade it to the 95 model grill, it's not a bolt-in replacement with the grill or this piece right here. You're going to have to do some fabrication to make it work. So anyway, I think it looks good. For me, it was worth it. I like that grill a lot better. And it's been a little while since we was at the junkyard. We've actually been back since then and got some more parts. So this video is it's been in a few weeks of making. So we've had some things we've done to the truck. One of the things we've done, we put the back glass in it. This window was busted out and it was a sliding back glass. Seth wanted the clean look of just a solid back glass, and that's what we did right here. Put a solid back glass in it. Looks good. Another thing that we've done, and we're not done at all with the inside, we did get this piece put up that we broke and it's looking good, but we put a radio in the truck, and I don't, if you know anything about OBS trucks, old body style trucks, from a 88 to a 94 model, you have to buy an adapter plate for your radio to fit in. I did not have to do that. This radio right here is a short chassis radio. It's not near as long. It does not have a CD player in it, so it's it plays off Bluetooth on your phone. It does have a USB port right here. You can put a memory card in it. I can't get it open. But anyway, I 3D printed me a bracket that would mount this radio on the factory screw holes. It normally has a tape player right there, a cassette tape. We took that out and I 3D printed this bracket, and it's a lot of plastic. You can't see it all. It took 14 hours to print that on my 3D printer. But anyway, if you know anything about these aftermarket radio adapters, it puts the radio like way out here. It looks like a chin or something. It looks kind of funny. I don't like it. And this right here is a much cleaner look. I'll show it to you from the side. And now I'll show you a picture of how their radio adapters look. So I don't know, you may not agree with me, but I think this looks right here a lot cleaner, and Seth loves it. And I've actually got a second rendition of my radio adapter printing right now, and I changed some things up, and it should only be a 10-hour print, which is still a long time. So anyway, that's some things that we've done. We still haven't addressed the door panels coming apart. We still haven't really cleaned it up at all. We did put 4 speakers in All these back speakers are new and the front speakers are new. I have this panel that goes right here. I'm just missing my clips off of it. We have a new rearview mirror. We got it at the junkyard and we just hadn't got that put on yet. So the truck's coming right along. We're going to clean it up real good, clean the frame and stuff up, put air conditioner on it. It has air, but the air don't work. But we're going to sandblast this frame and stuff and get it real good and clean and undercoat it, black it out, and get it ready to go into the paint shop. So we want to get it all squared away and let the paint job be about the last thing. We probably will do the interior dead last, but the paint will be very close to last because we want it to be pretty much done when we put the paint on it. So anyway, it's actually a pretty good looking truck. I never would have thought that this truck was this straight up there, sitting there with all the mold and stuff down the side of it. Oh yeah, Seth put a little stubby antenna on it, but the body of the truck is solid. We're trying to decide on a color right now, not quite sure, and I'm going to do a 2-4 lift on it, maybe put a little bit bigger wheels on it, and just kind of give it more of a hot rod truck look. So anyway, it's got a lot of work to be done to it, but I can't wait to get it in the body shop, get that bed off of it. That way we can clean more of the frame we can't get to right now, and get the engine bay clean. We gotta get the engine bay clean too. So anyway guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. I thank y'all for watching, and I got some more JJ videos in the pipeline, and nothing major, just stuff I need to do to him. I'll see y'all next time. Y'all come back and we'll see what we got going then.